Alright, forgive the rain. This old 05 Camry broke down in my yard the other day. And I've come to the conclusion it's electrical. I'm going to check and see if it's the alternator. I have a voltmeter here. It's raining, like I said. Digital voltmeter, Tech or TEK. I'm not sure what brand it is. I bought it up there at AutoZone. Turn it to the 9 volt. Hook your black to the negative and your red to the positive. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a little bit on the awkward side. Watch the battery climb, 12.8. That's not too bad. She said it's a brand new battery. So let's see if it starts. It started a little bit ago. I got it running just a second ago. Let's see if it starts now. Let's take that with us. Alright, here we go. Oh. Starts. Idle's a little low. This thing's got automatic lights on it. No. Cut that off. Let's check this battery again. The number we're looking for is about 14.5. A little shaky, a little rattly. I think this thing's been hit before. You can see telltale signs in the interior where the carpet's been pulled up. Like I said, we're looking for 14.5. Again, we're hooking the negative up. Gonna hook the positive up. Running about 13. There it goes, idling up a little bit. Yep, I think that we got us a bad alternator. Also, the ground wires, these right here, the terminals, those need to be replaced. I did find that out when I was checking on this thing earlier. The terminals need to be replaced. I'm really thinking that she got her a bad alternator. Says it's brand new. It looks it, but I'm not thinking it's either the wrong size or she got took advantage of. So when I ain't got no lights on or nothing, so as soon as I turn something on, let's check it. I'll leave it there for now. It's not too bad. So let's turn. It's raining, so we might as well turn the brights on. Turn that on high. It just splashes all over me. Radio's on, and just hit the flasher just for good measure. Let's check our numbers now. Yeah, we're losing power. See it changing every time the lights or the wipers go off. 13 to... You'll see it jump up, but it starts losing power. That alternator's bad. So, I'm gonna have to figure out if she wants me to replace it or what she wants to do. I don't know. Alright. I hope it helps you. This is a 05 Camry if you're having the same issue. Turn all this off. 2005 Camry. Alright, thank you much.